Yo, what is up guys, welcome back by a brand new video. In today's video I am going to do something I haven't done before on this channel, and that is making a beat for YEAT. So let's get right into FL Studio. This time around I'm gonna start with Serum, man. I'm just gonna try and find a great preset. Yeah, why not, man? We can use this. Let's get rid of the delay for now. Alright, let's make this melody a little more interesting by adding some random notes at the bottom. Oh, I like that. I think we can work with this. Alright, let's get that on a mixed track and bring back the delay. Alright, let's just grab an 808. Alright, let's do it like this. So the 808 stops when a note stops right here. Okay. Let's get some more drums in, man. Some hi-hats maybe. Some claps. Something like that. Maybe a roll right here. Let's shape this hi-hat a little bit. Oh, alright. The next thing. I feel like layering this 808, man. It's a cool trick with these YEAT type beats. Just grabbing a texture of one 808 and just filling it up with another one. It really works with this one. So what you want to do is just get them on a mixer track, on a separate one, just like that. And do this. So all the lows are out. And then you're just going to copy and paste it onto the next one. Make sure it's in the right octave. Just like that. Just get some lows out of the melody. We're gonna get some kicks in. I feel like we gotta spice up the melody a little bit. Just grab a lead or something. I don't know. Right now, we're just gonna freeball it, you know? What if we grab Portal and just do this? And this preset, man, it's always saving the day. Alright, we're gonna clone the lead and even make another lead. And just follow the melody a little bit. I want to make this lead a little cooler. Maybe this will fix it, man. I have no idea. And this kind of is a beat for YEAT, you know? I don't feel like it's that bad. But I do want to try something, man. Like here in Gross Beat, you have this slow triplet, bro. Yo, I kind of like that, man. Yo, that kick needs to slap through the mix, man. So what I'm about to do is I'm just gonna sidechain the kick to the 808 and to the melody. Oh, what? Sidechain to the melody? Yeah, bro. Gonna sidechain it to the melody. Not that much, but just a itty tiny bit. Yo, the best sidechain is the sidechain you can't hear. Hey, yo, what is a YEAT beat without a bell, man? We need that bell. This could be your YEAT beat, man. I feel like it's done. Nothing much to it. You can send it to a mix engineer and he will take care of the rest. But yo, kind of sick. Even with the slow triplet, sounds good, man. I think this is it, man. If you made it all the way through, thank you so much for watching. I would appreciate it if you could leave a like, maybe subscribe. That's up to you, man. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.